What's the difference between skinny jeans and popular culture today? I feel that baggy jeans were the jeans of choice of pop culture. Until the summer of 2009, there was a sudden change in dress code in the music industry. It all started when the new dance jerkin came out. That's when I felt the dress code change from baggy to skinny jeans. Back in 7th grade, I was the only kid with orange skinnies. The other kids and teachers looked at me with a strange look. Many reactions I got from my classmates were, "Are you gay? What are you wearing girl jeans for, Brett?" I really don't care what they say about the jeans. I feel like I'm the hottest dude with them on. For the rest of the 7th grade year, I was the only dude rocking skinnies. For the first day of the 8th grade, I noticed that all my friends were rocking skinnies. It made me feel like I was a trendsetter. When I first saw my friends wearing them, I thought we could make skinnies off. I thought we could make skinnies famous all over the world, so we started to jerk. Little did we know the world already knew about jerking and skinnies. Rangers jerking inspired us to jerk and make us want to be like them. So we started the DC Boys to match their crew. We started to record jerking videos so we could get our name out. We really started to get popular after we performed in a talent show at John Muir Middle School. The other acts in the show were hella whack compared to us. We went the hardest because of the skinnies that we wore and the talent that we showed. Today, as a rising freshman, I still rock skinnies most days, and people still hate on my jeans. But I still don't care what they think. I know that me and my crew are still hella dope and hella clean in our skinnies. Hot Topic and Levi's make the best skinnies, but Forever 21 got some good jeans too. Do I think that skinnies will last forever? Personally, I feel that skinnies will always be around because as long as people are still jerking, they will always be jerkers and skinnies. But from Youth Radio, I'm Terrell Nelson. To hear this commentary and more, visit us at youthradio.org.